I welcome all of you. Good afternoon. Today we
Good
will
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Today we will discuss about the advanced software engineering and technology. We already discussed about the uh, activities of advanced software engineering. Now in this lecture we will cover the concept of software engineering. This is the figure 1.1 for software engineering concept. Is it feasible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see this diagram, and this diagram means the UML diagram, which is given in the book of OMG, which is published in 2009. We have to develop such type of a diagram. We have to create such type of a diagram during our project development. This is one different language, unified modeling language. We can create this diagram by acquiring, by taking the information from client. This is the universal language. This diagram is the universal language to represent the project into the pictorial format. Very clearly idea can become clear to everyone, so that this is useful. Now you see there is a project. This diamond is connected. All these are the rectangle. Rectangle means the, we already seen in this, each rectangle represent the concept. A graphical representation of all these is shown in this figure. The line among the rectangle represent the different relationship between the concept. What is the relation in between project and activities? What is the relation in between activities and task? What is the relation in between task and resources, task and the work product? All these relation we can represent, we can show with the help of lines. And at the starting of line, if there is rectangle, there is diamond, then the diamond shape indicates the aggregation. A project include number of activities which include the number of tasks. Means there are number of activities and there are number of tasks associated with that rectangle, associated with that concept. So there is the diamond. You see, in project there are various activities, therefore their diamond is given. And activities is the association of work product, task, resources, system, participant, model, document, equipment and time. Therefore there is again diamond shape is given to the relation, to the relation with line. Then a triangle shape indicates a generalization relationship. You see, resources. General concept is there. General things are required for that. So there is the triangle shape. Participant, time and equipment are specific kind of resources. You see, for every project, these things are required. These are the general things. Means resources should require. Just a minute, someone is trying to join. Yes, Mayuri.
सर माझं मायक्रो सॉफ्टवेअर होत नाहीये, प्रॉब्लेम येतोय.
Okay, but is it Abhijit? Is it visible to you?
हाँ यस सर बोलो.
This presentation is visible to you?
नो नो
नाही सर मला नाही दिसत आहे.
दिसत नाही मला काही.
Okay.
लेक्चर चालू
सर
झाले
मलाही
की
दिसत नाही काही.
Just a
आज
minute. I will
आज
try
गुगलवर
to. Just a minute. Okay. Now is it visible to you?
यस विजिबल.
Okay.
हो सर आता दिसतंय. सर
You
पण मग ते मायक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्क करायला काय करावं लागेल? खूप प्रॉब्लेम असते
you
त्यामुळे
see
पासवर्ड
there
नव्हते.
in Microsoft Bhakti, Jyoti, Padmashri, Shital,
प्रॉब्लेम
Swati
आहे का
Sonone,
मायक्रोसॉफ्ट?
all these persons are joined. Hmm?
सर
तर
मायक्रोसॉफ्ट
माझं
प्रॉब्लेम आहे.
मी मागे पण केलं होतं ना, झालंच नव्हतं माझं. एकदा झाले त्याच्यात मी जॉईन पण नंतर जॉईन नाही होते परत. करते तर ट्राय.
मला पण प्रॉब्लेम येते मायक्रोसॉफ्टवर.
Within a minute, I will show you how to join to the Microsoft. Okay. Sorry for disturbance to the lecture. You see here in Google. Okay. You know everyone. We can search any kind of information in Google. Like that, I am searching here Microsoft. Microsoft Team. Is it clear? Is it visible to you, Mayuri?
हो सर दिसतंय आता.
Okay.
यस यस.
Then अपन यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम पे. यहाँ पे साइन इन करना है. जस्ट साइन इन. इज इट विजिबल? साइन इन.
हम्म.
अभिजीत.
यस यस यस.
हाँ. Then you have to click on this and just put your username and password. Very simple things.
आठवत नाही पासवर्ड वगैरे काय.
करते
Yes.
मध्ये जॉईन.
Again I will show to you. Just go to the Google, then Microsoft Team,
माझं डायरेक्ट साइन इन होते.
and then sign in. Okay. After signing, your username and password that is provided into the mgm drgyp.org website. This is our college website. Here in student corner, username and passwords all of you is given. Okay. Now from here we will select CS second year, and here is the Abhijit first. Okay. Abhijit, this is your username. I am adding here your username. Okay. Then next, then I am adding your password.
ओके.
This password here. Okay. Password is added. Now you change your password.
चेंज केलं मी. चेंज केलं.
हा. त्याच्यामुळे आता ते मला कनेक्ट करता येणार नाही. पण इथं पासवर्ड टाकायचा.
हो माझं ऑलरेडी साइन इन
हाँ.
आहे पण माझ्या
पण
मोबाईल मध्ये.
मयूरी का देख लेंगे.
सर मी
मयूरी
पण साईन केलेले माझ्या याला.
पासवर्ड चेंज केलाय का?
हो सर
पासवर्ड
पासवर्ड चेंज केलाय.
तुम्ही पण पासवर्ड चेंज केला तर मला जॉईन होता येणार नाही आता. फिर भी एक बार ट्राई करके देखते. यस, तुमने पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया. अब
साइन इन केल्यावर
हाँ,
हॅलो
साइन इन केलं की एक
sign in
ज्वाइन
करा.
क्लास. यस. साइन इन के बाद आपको क्या है ये देख लो. एक जस्ट मिनट, अभी मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. ये देख लो. साइन इन के बाद है ना, यहाँ पे टीम्स है. अभी ये दिख रहा है कि आपको टीम्स. यहाँ पे ज्वाइन और क्रिएट टीम. अगर मुझे क्रिएट करना है तो मैं यहाँ से क्रिएट कर सकता. अगर ज्वाइन करना है तो ज्वाइन कर सकता. ये दो ऑप्शन आते हैं, क्रिएट के लिए ये और ज्वाइन के लिए. यहाँ पे कोड डालना है. कोड मैंने व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप में दे दिया. अभी कोड डालना है सिर्फ यहाँ पे.
टीम्स वर क्लिक केल्यानंतर एक
हा,
तीन तीन
team-
फ्लॅश येत नाही का ते कोपऱ्यात?
हा, इकडे प्लस सिम्बॉल येतो, प्लस सिम्बॉल कुठेतरी मोबाईल मध्ये प्लस सिम्बॉल येईल. Then you have to click on that plus symbol. Then join क्या create ऑप्शन
त्याच्यात
पूछेगा.
तीन चार ऑप्शन आहेत सर त्याच्यानंतर.
काय ऑप्शन येतं?
जॉईन टीम, क्रिएट अ टीम, अजून एक दोन ऑप्शन आहेत माझ्याकडे.
बस झालं, मग आपल्याला जॉईन टीम करायचं आहे.
बरं.
अजून दुसरे ऑप्शन येतात, कॉल वगैरे करायचं आहे का तुम्हाला?
आणि हा आता जो कोड पाठवला तो कोड त्याच्यात टाकायचा का?
हा कोड मी इथं व्हॉट्सअप वरती टाकला होता तुम्हाला आता.
हा, तो
तरी
कोड
पण
टाकायचा का?
हा, तो कोड टाकायचा आहे. हे बघा आता
हा, 7 असं
काय
काहीतरी.
होतं ते आपलं कॉलेजचं.
7O असं काहीतरी.
हा हा, या कॉलेजच्या ग्रुपमध्ये टाकलेलं आहे ऑफिशियल.
मग आता जॉईन व्हायचं त्याच्यावर का वेट करायचं?
हे बघा, हे कोड आहे, दिसलंय का? हा कोड आहे 70DEMPU 7ODEMPU हा कोड आहे.
राईट सर, राईट.
दिस इज युअर कोड. दिसते का? मयुरी,
हो सर, दिसतोय.
मग हे प्रोसिजर कळाली का कसं जॉईन करायचं?
हो सर, करते मी जॉईन.
टीम्स मध्ये क्लिक केलं की प्लस सिम्बॉल येतो. प्लस सिम्बॉल वरती क्लिक केलं की जॉईन विथ कोड किंवा क्रिएट क्लास असं येतं. तर आपल्याला जॉईन करायचं आणि हा कोड टाकायचा 7ODEMPU डेम्पू 7ODEMPU. ओके. Okay, now we are discussing about the software engineering concept. In that, what is the indication of different shape like rectangle, diamond shape, line, triangle? What is the meaning of that? We are discussing about that. The triangle shape indicates the generalization relationship. Like participants, time, and equipment are the special kind of resources. These participant, times, and equipment. All these three are the special type of
जमलं
resources.
सर.
So, sorry, अभिजित,
जमलं म्हटलं सर. जॉईन
जमलं
झालं मायक्रोसॉफ्ट.
इकडे आला का तो आता? हा हा, ओके ओके, गुड, वेल डन. Okay, then you see this diagram. In this diagram, there are various symbol. What is the meaning of that symbol? We are discussing about that. The rectangle means the concept. Any type of concept, we have to just draw the rectangle. Suppose you went for the requirement elicitation, requirement collection to any client, then he will tell you particular things. Then you have to draw the rectangle. For separate concept, you have to draw a rectangle and you have to write in that like project first, then activity, then which type of activity will be happen there, you will write below that into the rectangle. And then after, to whom particular concept is associated, to that you will be create a triangle like this. Resources, what will be the resources into the software company, all will be, we will write below these resources These are the different concept. Like participant means employee of our company. These all will become a participant. So these are the resources. Human, HR department is there in every company. HR means human resource department. So participant is also, our employee is also a part of the resources. Then time, which persons are coming, that is also one of the resource. Means shift, there may be a shift wise work into the organization, into the company. So that, and other equipments like computer, camera, table, chair, all these are the resources. Okay, if you want to make the project software project, then all these equipment we will use to development purpose. Like chair we will use for sitting purpose, and time scheduling, and all participant will be work together. All these are the resources required to do some task, like work product. Now you see what we will be do. We will be develop a system. Work product is, now see, generalized thing. Work product means what will be the product of our company, that all be associated to the work product. So therefore here is the triangle shape given. Then what are the products of our company? Suppose system. We can sell the mobile phone, or we can sell, you know what is system? System means a combination of people's software, hardware, and other equipment. All this means the system. Sometime we can say computer is a system. This is my system. There are 4 system, there are 5 system. You see, this is one of the system. Why we can say system? Because their mouse is connected to the CPU, and CPU is connected to the monitor, and again keyboard is also connected to the CPU. So there are various electronic devices connected to a device, so that become a, so it is a system. Is it clear? System, are you
Yes, sir.
understand? System means, sometime we can say our college system is not good, our college system is very good. Now this government system is not proper, like that we use. This means there are various uh, devices, rules, peoples are together, so we can say that is system. Similarly, we can develop a system. Means some vendors, some enterprises, some small shops, there they are not using any type of, any kind of a system. They are not using. Instead, that we have to use a system. We have to provide software to them. Then we will be create software. Okay, all you are software engineer, and also you are the computer scientist, so you can develop computer also. Hmm? Difference between computer science and information technology is that you are the computer engineer, you can develop computer, and IT people just develop a software. Okay, but suppose you have developed software, not system, then how you will be provide software to the particular shop holder? There is no system, then there is no computer, then you will be suggest him to purchase a computer, or you will purchase a system, and you will purchase a computer, and in that you will be install your own software, and that computer with software you will be give to the shop holder or your client. Okay, therefore we can say that is our product. This system is also the work product. Model, sometime our product may be a model, means there everything is available into the shop, into the business, into the client. Suppose we have one client like any college or hospital, they have already devices and software, but they are not organized. There are some problems, there are some lacunas into their system. In that we will provide our model, our software, to connect all the peoples together. By our software all their system, all their computer will be connected, and all their instrument will be connected to our model, so we can sell a model in the form of a product. Also a documents, means help, software help. This is document is the non-functional things, means help. In the form of a book we will provide them how this software will be work. Like Microsoft Team, we, some of the student don't know what are the functionalities into the Microsoft Team software. So their non-functional things is there, that is the help. With the help of help we can see how this software will be work. Okay, that help, that book, that news, uh, prospects, all these material will be a product of our company. So we can say this is also the work product. And all these products, there are three products: document, model and system. All these products are associated with the product, therefore here triangle is connected. And there are two tasks of our company. Okay, now you see the participant and roles. Developing a software system require the collaboration of many people with different background and interest. These participants are peoples. There are various roles assigned to these participants. Someone is programmer, someone may be a data engineer, someone may be an analyst, someone may be design engineer, someone will be animation creator into the software. All these people may be a different roles. So developing a software system required collaboration of many people with different background and interest. All people we required engineer, programmer, expert into the communication to acquire the information from client. Everyone we required. This is the collaborative role. The client order and pay for the system, developer construct the system. Like we have given role to the client to order to purchase the product, and developer have role to construct the system, to construct the functionalities into the software. The project management plan and budget the project, and coordinator coordinates the developers and the client. The end user are supported by the system. You see, manager is the main person to plan about the budget, how much cost will be required to develop a particular system or software, and project coordinator, how much employee we will require, how much devices we will require, all will be coordinated by the manager. The developers and clients, what is the need of client, and what we can do for developing a software, which type of programmers we require. All these task will be performed by the manager. Sometime manager not understand to how to program to particular model, but in that case manager can recruit the person, manager can take the outsourcing help, who is the expert person, he can call the interview, he can call the recruitment to give the support to the end user. End user means the client. Client don't know how to use the system, so that their help is also provided. We refers to a set of responsibilities in the project or the system as a role. A role is associated with set of tasks and is assigned to a participant. Role means the task. Task means the particular work is given to every participants. There are different tasks. There are different work. That means the role of the persons. Sometime what happen, the same participant can fill multiple roles. Means suppose there is a small industry, just you have started a software company, you will perform the role of manager as well as you will perform the role of engineer to acquire the information from client. Also you will perform the role of programmer. There may be a different multiple role to a particular person, particular entity. Okay, now consider a ticket distribution system. This is one example of a system, how to work this system. You see ticket distributor system. Ticket distributor is a machine that distribute the ticket for train. We seen such type of we know the ticket distribution machine, as we have already performed the role of travelers. Travelers have the options of selecting a ticket for a single trip or multiple trip, or selecting a time card for a day or a week. Such type of tickets are there. If you see the counter of ticket distributors, there are options. You can take the 1 month pass, you can take 1 week pass, you can take 4 days pass to travel. Hmm? Or you can take two side ticket, or you can take a single side ticket. If you went at the Mumbai on railway station, Mumbai railway station, there are such type of facilities available to take the two-way ticket. Okay, why? Because if you went at the railway station, there may be a use uh, so long lane to take ticket. So why you will be stand again into the queue for taking the tickets? Instead of that, you can take a two-way ticket. If you are doing daily up down, so you can take a weekly tickets. Such type of a machine is there. The ticket distributor computer sorry the ticket distributor computes the price of requested ticket based on the area in which the trip will be take place, and whether the traveler is a child or adult. We know the price of ticket will be vary according to the child or adult or the place, according to our trips, how much trips you will be take. Means 2 time you will travel, 4 time you will travel, or which area you will went, you will go to the Chikalthana, you will go to the uh, in other places of Aurangabad like university or Ajanta Ellora caves, all that. Accordingly, the price of that ticket will be vary. There is some criterias. If the age of the ticket holder is less than 12 year, then the price of ticket will be changed. such type of logic we have to develop up in the program, then that machine will be distribute the ticket. The ticket distributor must be able to handle several exceptions, such as travelers who do not complete the transaction, travelers who attempt to pay with large bill, and resources outage such as running out of tickets, change, or power. Sometimes what happen, the ticket distribution must be able to handle some exceptional problem. Some problems if there, such as traveler who do not complete the transaction, travelers who attempt to pay a large bill. Means sometime ticket distribution machine will not provide the sufficient ticket to the customer. Sometime there may be a problem into the machine and ticket will not out, or there may be the this paper of that machine will be uh, just a minute, someone is trying to join. There are various problem may be occur into the ticket distributor machines. For that there should be a solution. You see, sometime our now these traditional conductor are bring carrying such type of instrument to the ticket distributor, as that name of that machine is the ticket distribution machines. From that, if the ticket is not come out, then he can give you a manual ticket. There is again option kept by that conductor to, if such machine will not work, instead of that he will provide. Sometime traveler who attempt to pay with large bill, means traveler will tell to you, suppose you are the ticket distributor, you are handling ticket distributor machine, then client means passenger will tell to you, give me, I want to go to the Aurangabad. Okay, from Jalna to Aurangabad. Then conductor or ticket distributor will tell to you, okay, on which spot you will be your destination, like Sidco bus stand or Central bus stand. If he forget to ask to the passenger where you are going for Central bus stand or Sidco bus stand, then there may be a problem. He will give passenger extra bill than the expectation. He want to just for Sidco bus stand, and our ticket distribution machine may be give ticket to him up to the Central bus stand. Such type of problem may be there, such as running out of tickets, change, or power problem. There is power to the machine. That machine should be charged, fully charged. Otherwise, it will be discharged within the ticket distributions. Then this problem may be there. Okay, now we will see the ticket distributor project. This table is example of role in software engineering for ticket distributor project. Suppose this is our project ticket distribution. Then there are various role. First role is client, then user, manager, human factor specialist, developer, and the technical writer. These are the roles. Just a minute, someone is trying to join. Okay, these are the roles, and to these role there some responsibilities are given, like client. the client is responsible for providing the high level requirement on the system and for defining the scope of the project, like delivery date, budget, quality criteria. All these roles, all these activity we have to take from the client. In ticket distributor machines, we have to collect all the information from the conductor. Conductor will be the client. From him we have to collect the information. He will be the high level requirement person. Example, the train company that contract to the ticket distributor. Means there is on railway station ticket distribution machine is connected, and similarly in the bus there is a person like conductor. He he take such type of a care. If we want to create software for ticket distribution project, then to whom we will be asked the information about this? We will ask the information to the conductor, because he knows the detail about the client. You know, a passenger will be the client of this ticket distributor project. समझते का? समझ में आ रहा
हो
क्या?
सर.
यहाँ पे देखो, there are 2 points, two type of clients. You see, conductor is our client. Conductor is the client of software developer, and passenger is the client of conductor. Okay, therefore conductor, bus conductor knows detail about the passenger's problem, passenger's information. There are passenger less than 12 years, there are passenger greater than 50 years or 60 years. They have the half ticket or 1/4 ticket option is there. Such type of information knows to the conductor, ticket conductor. Therefore, we have to acquire information from him for develop software. So he means conductor will become our client. Suppose we are the software engineers, then he will our client. He will provide information, detailed information to us. Then user. Now see, there is again another role, user. The user is responsible for providing the domain knowledge about the current user task. Note that the client and user are usually filled by different person. Sometime user and client may be different. Sometime user and client is same. Now you see, suppose you went at the bus stop and you have asked the information for the software development from the conductor. He will not give information to you because he is not the authorized person to take a software into the ST, state transportation. Then who will who is the authorized person to take software? Their manager, means depot manager, maybe take the some software for their system, for their organization. Their user and the client is different. User and client is different. Their conductor will become a user. and client may become a manager of that user. Such type of situation we can face in various organization. If you reach to the particular users, then user will not the permission to give the information to any out of company person or any outsourcing industry or company. Then we have to reach to the client. जैसा कि देखो, अगर आपको अपने कॉलेज में अगर कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर लेना है, परचेस करना है, तो मैं सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं परचेस कर सकता। अगर आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बोल के कई कंपनियों से मेरे पास आ गए, देखो कि ये हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत अच्छा है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम का है या गूगल मीट का है या ऑल, तो आई एम द यूजर ऑफ दैट दिस सॉफ्टवेयर। मैं यूजर हूँ, मैं क्लाइंट नहीं हूँ। मैं आपको यही बताऊंगा कि आप क्या करो। क्या बता सकता मैं? क्या बताऊंगा मैं? I will say you go to the principal and ask about that. अगर प्रिंसिपल ने मुझे बता दिया कि you give the information, detail information, then I will be give to you. Otherwise, I will not give. Then role of manager. A manager is responsible for the work organization. This includes the hiring staff, assigning them tasks, monitoring their processes, providing their trainings, and generally managing the resources provided by the client or the successful delivery. Means all the management will be performed by the manager. Such type of a task given to the manager. Here alias boss. Example, boss, in some company there is boss. Okay. Then human factor specialist is a human factor specialist is responsible for the usability of the system. Means though we are the software developers, but we require some security person, means those who knows ethical hacking and networking. These are the some special persons. This is also one role. Then developer is also a special task. Developer is responsible for the construction of the system, including the specification, design, implementations, and testing in large project. The developer role is further specialized. Suppose there is a very big project, again the developers are various developers, means uh, design developer, coding developer, again the instrument developer, or various roles may be given to the developers. Example, John is the analyst and Mark is the programmer, Joey is the tester. All these are the roles may be given to the developers. Technical writer. The technical writer is responsible for documentation delivery to the client. A technical writer interview the developer managers and users to understand the system. John is performing two roles. One is the developer and another is the technical writer. So one person can perform multiple role. In small industry, there are various role should be follow to the client, to the employee. Okay. If you have any doubt with this table, you can ask me question. Another thing we will discuss in next lecture. Do you have any question, Ashwini?
No, sir.
Swati, Sonuni?
No, sir.
ओके. हे समजले का? तिकीट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन मशीनचे जे प्रोजेक्ट आहे याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे रोल्स आहे, हे आपले क्लिअर होतीलच नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये. पण रफली जर तुम्हाला काही डाऊट असेल, या डायग्रामवरती काही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही क्वेश्चन विचारू शकता. we have various diagram in next point. But till you have any question, any doubt, you can ask. Some of the student are joined with the Google Microsoft team and some are using Google Meet. Okay, but you try to join with the help of Microsoft team.
Have a nice day, sir.
Okay, bye, have a nice day. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.